Hey guys, it's Michael again. Just wanted to give you a quick little update video on the GX build. You'll see that really the big changes are in the front end in the form of some new OEM style headlights and a new TRD Pro style grill. Really loved the black halo headlights that were my old, I guess the factory Lexus headlights that I just retrofitted. From different angles, they did, you could still tell there was spider cracking and yellowing. And overall, I just frankly was planning on, redoing these with that, and I may still do that, but honestly, I'm really digging the just the OEM chrome silver finish right now, or the chrome with the silver paint. It just looks a little bit cleaner, a little bit more classic off-road, and just, yeah, digging it. I did swap out, you'll see in here, I did swap out for LED DRLs, which match with the triple LEDs on the Lexus TRD, or I should say LRD style grill, which really has a cool pattern to it. And it's honestly really neat that the Lexus is in silver, and it frankly almost looks like it's color matched to the silver on the GX as it is. These headlights again are just the basically OEM style, what they would have looked like brand new. So from the side angle, it just kind of looks cleaner in my opinion, and it honestly makes the bumper pop a little bit more. So I think all the black accents now stand out a little bit better. The bumper really pops, and I'm liking the orange. Again, you guys know I've got this trend with orange, so I've got the orange Max Tracks, orange lights up front. I've got the amber lights in the bumper, and then the little orange side markers, which kind of all work. So little pops of color, which are kind of cool. But yeah, guys, I would say that's the big update on the front. Definitely changes the look. Let's say another big update is it back around. No real changes on the side. Same roof rack, same sliders, wheels and tires. Y'all have seen that. I did move the plate from the bumper up to the in the middle of the wheel. I think it looks just a little bit cleaner. Makes the bumper look a little bit more high profile, and frankly it just doesn't get in the way when you're opening the swing door. But inside, the update is in regards to this Melapron box that I added. As we all know, the GX just kind of has a big open cavernous area, so getting a storage setup that works and organizes your stuff is really nice, since it's just kind of an open space. This truck, really I would call it almost like a truck box. These are similar to the boxes you can mount on your roof. This is basically, you could do that with this Melapron, but it's got a pneumatic, it's got Molly on the inside, and you can just see I've got all my off-road and recovery gear in here. So I've got like jumper cables, I've got a recovery strap down there, I've got a jack stand, since the factory jack won't work anymore since the vehicle's lifted, air compressor gauge, various straps, tie downs, the winch controller, gloves, quick access to a fire extinguisher, my air compressor, and then the stretchable style recovery strap, like the spring-loaded style one. And again, more room to mount other stuff here. I do have my first aid kit that I took off. It's got Velcro, and I had it here. It was just kind of hanging down. Just threw it there. Works well. I'm still debating a table in the back, but frankly, this is just super clean and works well. But yeah, guys, I would say this is a perfect use of space, considering it fits right inside the wheel wells, and it does have the ability, just relatch. It's got these nice latches. It does have, you can see there's these holes. There was a Molly up here. Since I do have my dog come back or ride back here sometimes, you can see some of his claw marks and such. I just want a nice smooth area. It's also stackable for if you got groceries or doing a Costco run or something like that. But the other nice thing with this box is when you fold the seats down and you got to haul something wide and flat like a TV or a piece of furniture, it rides at the same level as with the seats folded down. So overall, really digging it. The only other thing I'm thinking about adding is there's a gentleman, I think it's Northwest Fabrications or something like that, on Facebook, a gentleman on Facebook who basically makes a storage / sleeping platform that when you put the seats down, it extends, and then also extends here so that you could basically have kind of a pickup truck bed. And I would love if it would work. I gotta reach out to him and see if it would be compatible, because I'd love to keep this box here and then just be able to pull the box out when needed. And again, just have this as kind of free storage under that shelf. But there is a handle, so you could pull it out. The other nice thing about that is I don't have, right now I don't have this box secured in any way. It's just, you know, just sitting there on top of the WeatherTech mat, which is working well. But in the event of an accident or something, I don't want this box flying around. So yeah, exploring that option, but overall, again, really liking it. And just a really nice way to keep the back clean and organized. The only other upgrade or update I've done since would be inside is new cup holders right here. So similar to the dual cup holder that I've got and I've done a video on, I also got another 3D printed one. It's really just it just slides in, and once it slides in, it's pretty solid, but it just lifts what were the historically low cup holders where bottles would toss around. So again, I'm always carrying a thermo flask. This fits in here great, and it's a lot more solid. You can still obviously get to it and such, but yeah, it just holds stuff way better and is not as tippy as the factory ones are. I still find myself using the ones up front all the time just because it keeps this space clear, but this definitely is a nice inexpensive upgrade that also just kind of, again, ties in with all that 3D printed black as well. So overall, guys, I think, you know, those are the big updates. Again, loving the WeatherTechs that I've got throughout all the way through the back. It's great to not have mats that are sliding around, so highly recommend those. Love having the Apple CarPlay here. Love having my switches and everything all up there, which looks, again, very, very OEM. And then frankly, yeah, just have my wireless charger there, and I keep my phone right near the e-brake, so there's really just a good spot for everything. Don't find that I need to mount my phone up here or anything, since I've got CarPlay and the maps and everything, and I frankly just use that screen way more than I even use my phone. So just have my phone charged here, and again, it just hooks into this, which I can keep closed. You can see it runs out of there, and that has a cord that runs all the way up to this, so it works out well. Guys, I will have all of this linked, the headlights, the grill, all of the cup holders and the storage box, all of that in the description. But yeah, guys, overall, I think we're pretty done on the build. I'll continue to update you guys, but figured you'd like a quick little update video. Hope you all are well. Have a great weekend.